I built this completely uncontrollable rail mechanism, and somehow I want to turn it into a PCB drill press. Now the problem is, how the hell do I control this thing and move the rail to the right position? At first I thought, simple, just use a push button. Press, it goes down, easy. But then, how does it come back up? A spring? Maybe. But here's the issue. For clean, accurate holes, I need to control the feed rate. And yeah, a button and a spring won't cut it. So I scrapped that idea. Then I started thinking differently, and suddenly it hit me. What if I use a servo motor, but only its brain? So I opened the servo motor, and inside I found three main parts. A DC motor with gears, a control circuit, and a feedback system. On the control circuit, we have three important input pins, two for power and one for the PWM signal, and five other pins, two for the motor output, and three for the feedback potentiometer. So I took the board and soldered my old DC motor to it. Nice. But now another problem. How does the motor know where it is? So for the rail to give position feedback, it needs a sensor. In this case, I use the 10K potentiometer. It converts position into voltage. For example, if I use 5 volt as an input, then in the middle position, I should get about 2.5 volts. So I installed the potentiometer and wired it. One side to plus 5V, one side to ground, and the middle pin goes to the feedback input. This thing is called a closed-loop control system. Basically, you send a position, controller sends orders to the motor. Motor moves. Then the potentiometer reads the real position and sends it back. The controller compares what I want versus what I got. The difference is the error, and the system keeps fixing that error by stopping or reversing the motor until it gets the correct position. The circuit diagram is very simple, and the gears are used to increase the torque. And yeah, somehow this mess actually works. The rail moves where I want it to go. Right now I'm using an Arduino and another potentiometer to control the input.